Okay, so hello everyone. Study in last class. In previous video, we have done some numerical, okay, related to the vector, and we have also done the basic concept related to the different problem solving concepts. And in this video, we are going to start a new numericals related to in previous class. We have already done such type of numerical, but I think this is some different type. So I am going to just show you here. We have a question. I think in last class we have done 7 different types of question. So this will be 8. So we have given over here let OA equals to 6, 7 and OB equals to 10, 10, 4. Find AB, we have a question over here, find AB and express in the form of xi plus yj. So basically we have this question, and we have given OA equals to 6, 7, that is in vertical vector, OB equal to 10, 4, and we have to find value of AB and express in the form of xi plus yj. Okay, so in very first given things is OA equals to 6, 7. Okay, and OB is also given. OB equals to 10, 4, and we have to find AB. AB equals to what? Okay, so we know that this is equals to x1, y1, and this is equal to x2, y2. Okay, so we have from here x1 equal to 6, x2 equals to this 10, y1 equals to this 7, and y2 equals to this 4. Okay, so these two are the given, and we have to calculate this value AB. So we know that AB equals to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. So just simple, x2 equals to 10 minus 6, and y2 equals to 4 minus y1 equal to 7. So its value becomes 4 and minus 3. But did the question again express in the form of xi plus yj. This is in the form of column vector, but we have to express this column vector into this form xi plus yj. And as I already told you that this first term is called x coordinate and second term is called y coordinate. So I, the j means simply x coordinate and y coordinate. It is just a different form for the representation. So we can write this like as a x coordinate 4, and we have to write here x, and again we have to write y term, that is minus 4, and we have to write j. So its value is equals to 4i minus 3j, which is the required vector of AB. Okay, so in this way we can calculate. And if in the question is asked we have to calculate the magnitude of AB, then we have to calculate this magnitude. So we can calculate magnitude just root under x coordinate 4 square plus minus 3 square. So we can calculate magnitude also. Okay, and if there is asked direction, then we can calculate direction tan theta equal to y coordinate by x coordinate. Y coordinate minus 3 by 4. Then we can calculate the value of theta. In this way we can calculate all the vectors whatever in the question asked. So now let's move on the next type, that is type number 9. Okay, in next type we have type number 9. This is Type number 9. We have a question given over here. If A equals to 6p and B equals to 3 minus 2 are two parallel vectors. Then find the value of P. Okay, so in next type, this is type number 9, and we have given a question. If A equals to, the vector A is given, so write down solution. Given the vector A equals to given 6p, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, and B is also given, B equals to 3 minus 2 are two parallel vectors. These two vectors are parallel to each other. Okay, so this is given in the question, and we have to find the value of P. P equals to what? Okay, these two are parallel. These two vectors are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Okay, so we know that if parallel भनेको छ भने हामीसँग के हुन्छ त? If for the parallel condition we have parallel condition, we have A equals to lambda times B. No, this is the parallel condition. Okay, but we have given this value 6p and 3 minus 2. Okay, so we can write these two vectors in such form. If we write A equals to 6p equal to lambda times B, B is given 3 minus 2. Then if we can calculate the value of lambda, then we can calculate the value of B. So in the very first step we have to calculate the value of lambda. It means this is 6p equals to 3 lambda minus 2 lambda. Okay, now the individual terms can be equated. So the first term should be equals to first x coordinate, and the y coordinate should equals to y coordinate. So let's equate. Equating, we get the value of 6 equal to 3 lambda. That is lambda equal to 6 by 3 means 2. And for the value of P, we can calculate P equals to how much? P equals to minus 2 lambda. So it means minus 2 into lambda equals to 2. Its value becomes minus 4. So the value of P equals to minus 4. In this way, we can calculate the value of P. How much? P equals to minus 4. This is the required answer. In this way, if two vectors, that is A and B, if given, then we can calculate the value of unknown variable with the help of parallel condition. Okay, in this way we can calculate the value of P equals to minus 4. And let us suppose if here is also given one unknown value. Let us suppose this may be Q, and if this value is given 2, then we can calculate this value A equals to lambda times B. And we have to take in the place of A this 6 and lambda times B. In the place of B we have to take these two values, and we have to equate these two vectors, and after equating, first we get the value of lambda, and after that we can calculate the value of P or Q or whatever given in the question, unknown value we can calculate with the help of this lambda value. So in this way this 9 types question is also finished, and we will move to next one. Okay, before moving to next one, first we have discussed about the alternative method of such type of problem. Okay, so I am just going to solve this problem. In previous one, that is p equals to minus 4, we have calculated, and let's see another method. Is it the value of p will be same or not? That is minus 4. So in the previous question we have the question a equals to 6p and 3 minus 2. This is 3 minus 2 and this is 6p. So in this also we have to calculate the value of p. So this is the same type, okay. This is same thing, and just this is the method, different method. This method with the help of this parallel condition a equal to lambda times b, and we can also do such type of problem in other alternative way. So let us discuss the next method, that is alternative method. So in alternative method, nothing, we have to just calculate the value of theta. If two different vectors are given, then we can calculate two different value of theta, that is direction of a vector. So let us see first given vector. We have given first vector a equals to 6p. Okay, so this is the first vector that is given, and another vector is b equals to 3 minus 2. So in both cases we have to calculate first the direction of the vector, and after calculating direction of vector we can equate both the direction are same, because these two are the parallel vectors. So we can equate both directions. So first we have to calculate the direction of this vector. So direction of A. Direction of A, as we know, this is the x coordinate. First one is x coordinate. First one is x coordinate, and second one is y coordinate. Right? So direction, as we know, direction equal to direction of A equals to tan theta, and tan theta equal to y by x. No, we have already done such type of numerical and such type of so many programs we have done. So what the value of y is p and value of x equal to 6. So it gives the value of tan theta equal to, we can calculate this one. So the value of tan theta 1 equal to p by 6. Similarly we can calculate the direction of this vector. So direction of vector b, that is tan theta 2. If we take this theta 1 as a direction of first vector A, then we have to take another angle, that is direction for the vector B. Let us suppose this will be tan theta 2, then its value also becomes y by x, and for the direction of this B vector we have to take the corresponding value of y, that is 3 by minus 2. Okay, then we can calculate tan theta equal to how much? 3 by 2. So this is tan theta 2, that is direction of this vector B. Similarly we have also direction of vector A, that is tan theta 1. Tan theta 1 equal to p by 6. Okay, so these two are the direction of these two different vectors. If these two vectors, let us see, this is first one, that is A, and this is second one, this is B. If the angle between these two vectors are parallel, then the angle between these two must be equal. So we know that tan theta 1 equal to tan theta 2. Let's see how much the value becomes over this. We know that tan theta 1 equal to tan theta 2. What is the reason behind this? If you try to understand it, in the question you can see these two are the parallel vectors. So we can write, since these two vectors are the parallel. Two vectors are parallel to each other. Okay, so for the parallel condition we can use this formula, or tan theta 1 equal to, we have p by 6 and theta 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. So these are the two vectors, and we can equate both, that is 2p equals to 6 into minus 3. So p equals to how much? Minus 18 by 2. No? Minus 18 by 2, it means minus 9. So this is the value of p. But in the previous, p equals to how much? P by 6. This is p by 6 equals to minus, no, it is minus 2 by 3. Because this is the in second vector. If we calculate direction of this vector, this value becomes minus 2 by 3. I just written this mistakenly. So d equals to minus 2 by 3. So tan theta 2 equals to minus 2 by 3. In this way, if we solve this equation, then we will get the value of p equals to minus 2 into 6 by 3. So its value becomes minus 12 by 3 equals to minus 4. So we can compare. In the alternative way, we also get the value of p equals to minus 4. You can see here, p equals to minus 4. But in the previous one, that is in the normal way, we have also calculated the value of p. In that one also we get the value of p equals to minus 4. It means in both the way, in both case, we can get the same value. So if we have two different vectors, then we can calculate the unknown value, okay, in both way. Okay, and we just see here in these two different methods, the value becomes the same. So that's all for this. What the time already? Let's stop this.